You search for how to buy shares of Eastman Kodak Company? So here is a brief walkthrough. Eastman Kodak Company is an established imaging and photographic technology firm listed on NASDAQ with the ticker KODKUS. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you must add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker KODKUS to find Eastman Kodak Company. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market session. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the link if you want to visit the example broker site.